welcome back to my channel. This is Perfection Art by Tracy, and I'm Tracy. I want to first say this is my second year in being invited and getting to participate in the Pride collaboration. And although each year it is very near and dear to my heart, this year touches a little bit closer. So recently I've had a couple of little medical issues, and I have to say the outpouring of love that I have felt from this fluid art community has just amazed me. And it got me to thinking, it wasn't because I'm white, I'm straight, or gay, or lesbian, or trans. It's because I'm human. And it would be such an amazing world if we could treat everyone the way I've been treated recently, just because they're human. You know, sadly, the second leading cause of teen suicide is because of those that are struggling with their gender and feel desperate or isolated or judged or bullied. And that is horrible. And we can all do something to change it. Can you imagine being the star quarterback on the high school football team and everybody's town hero? And at the end of every game, getting those arm punches, way to go, way to score that touchdown. You got your eye on the head cheerleader, and that quarterback being proud of his game and winning for his school. But in the back of his mind, he's thinking, well, should I be? Because for some reason, I find the linebacker more attractive. But he can't tell anybody, because then all of a sudden he might not be the star of the quarterback or the football team. Or that homecoming queen, as they place the crown upon her head, knowing that there's going to be a homecoming king, when she really wishes that the third violinist could be her second in running homecoming queen. We have to stop. We have to stop looking at people and putting them in a bubble and assuming that because they fit some exterior role, that that's what's going on inside. So today, we're going to lighten it up. I'm going to take you to the canvas, and I'm going to show you my interpretation of being an ally. I will forever be an ally to anyone, no matter what your gender, your race, your ethnicity. We're human, and we all deserve to be treated as humans, and we all deserve love. Love is love. Stop judging those that might not fit into your mold. So, thank you for joining us. Like I said, this one's a little deep, I understand, but it's a deep conversation that we need to be having more of. So join me on the canvas, and let's make something beautiful and turn this around and love each other. I'll see you in a sec.
Till the sun Never thought it would be so hard. I grew up without a scar, just living my life with no big worries. And I've always known what I want, just didn't know what came along. Finding myself a much less happy. Back in the days I used to dream about one day a life so amazing, not everyone judging me. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open, 'cause if I shut down, it just gives them right. I wanna stay wide open. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. I wanna stay wide open.
Well, you know, we learn something new every day. Because I will be completely honest, this was not my game plan. My game plan was that, and then I was going to do a black and white dustpan pour over it to represent the Ally flag. But you know what? I didn't have the right dustpan. I have practiced with every tool in my studio, and I was terrified of messing that up because it turned out so pretty. So I thought, I'm going to just do a straight pour in the fluorescent, vibrant rainbow colors. And y'all, I couldn't be more pleased with it. Look at the psychedelic colors that this turned out to be. I mean, it is absolutely, to me, gorgeous. And look at this. Every one of these little tips have every single color. And it just goes to show you again, just because something is supposed to be one way, if you look deep enough, and if you care long enough, and if you think hard enough, in the end, what is created before you might turn out even more beautiful than what you thought something was supposed to be. I hope you kind of get my analogy there. So, and yeah, on my phone, that looks muddy, but in person it's not. It's beautiful. Greens and blues and purples and oranges and reds. There's not a single bit of mud anywhere on here. You know what? I thought about that too, because I thought, oh my goodness, what if this orange and this purple and some of these colors turn to mud? We all got a little bit of mud in us, you know, but it still makes us who we are, and it makes us human. So I hope that you will follow along with the rest of this collaboration. The beautiful, wonderful, magnificent Kathleen Osmore from Cause Creations went before me. She blew me away last year with her painting, so I can only imagine what she's coming up with this year. And then my mentor and dear, dear friend, Sarah Mack, is right after me. There's a playlist in everyone's description box. It's 3 days of people expressing their beliefs and supporting pride, and that love is love. So thank you for personally joining me and my channel. It means the world to me. I hope you like my little psychedelic Pride Straight Pour. I hope that you will follow along with everybody. And if you are so inclined, I would greatly appreciate if you would subscribe to my channel. Down in the lower right hand corner, there's a subscribe button. You can just hit that and it makes life easy for you. But definitely hit the playlist and follow along and watch all these beautiful creations. I love you all so much. Be kind to each other. Love each other. And until next time, bye friends.
It just gets them right. I wanna stay wide open. Oh, oh, oh. I wanna stay wide open.